afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. We have a 2009 Corvette ZR1 supercharged. This thing must be lightning. Got the exposed supercharger on the hood scoop here. Very cool. Love the color on this car. This is one of my favorite car colors. I don't know if you call it a kind of a teal blue, a rich blue, but whatever. It is awesome. Got the quad exhaust here on the back. Of course, the Corvette badging. ZR1 supercharged badging. The old traditional Corvette rounded tail lights. You don't see that in the new ones. Carbon fiber on the top here, as well as the surround here. Nice touch. Venting on the sides. This does have the chrome wheels, but I know there's chrome fans out there. I do like the matching blue calipers with the Corvette insignia. Does have the carbon fiber lip on the front. Very nice. Carbon fiber trim on the sides here, along with some more venting, of course. We'll open it up, take a look inside. Black leather, fitting for a car like this. This is a manual 6-speed. Very cool. Typical Corvette rear in here. Very nice. Along the sills, you have the ZR1 badging. Pretty cool. Does have the Bose sound system in it for those who would want to listen to a radio. I don't know. Little low profile spoiler on the back. Check out the driver's side. Got your gauging right back in there. Very nice. Very cool indeed. We're going to take this one for a ride and see how it is. Stay tuned. Nice. You can always tell right away how it's going to feel.
It's a fifth.
Yeah. Oh well, we'll just bypass third. Who needs third? It felt good from the start, I gotta say that. Nice and comfortable in here, of course. It's even more of a daily driver type car, I guess, at least from a comfort standpoint. Gotta hear the horn. There we go. Nice and smooth. I would say definitely a smoother ride than some of the other cars, for sure. Good pickup on this. I can feel it already. If I was to punch it in this car, it would go. I can feel it. And that's in here. Let's see. I can't wait to shift again so I can maybe hit third gear.
Yeah, try third and fourth.
Yeah,
make it pretty good.
Forget that. That's right. Oh wow, this is awesome. Of course, I can't help but compare it to mine. I had Corvette here not too long ago, and it was not a manual transmission, of course, but power wise, you know, these are full of power. Mine was powerful even as an automatic. Okay, we've actually found second gear now, so let's see if we can't manage to hit third. I think that was third. Feels like third. That's what I'm talking about. Obviously faster than the Type R. But as we discussed earlier, it's the way the car is set up. I mean, obviously the Type R is not faster than the GT3, but depends on how you're driving it and where you're at in the power band, I suppose, or gear. This one, oh yeah, very nice.
Yeah, it has a good pulling. Has good pulling in all RPMs, and will drive the Z06, which is a naturally aspirated engine, and it's almost as fast on a straight quarter-mile run, you know, a few tenths slower. But if you punch it at low RPM, it does not have the torque that this has with a supercharger.
Yeah.
But it's only 505 horse.
That's true. I keep forgetting this is supercharged.
Yeah.
Wow.
And actually, the displacement in this is smaller than in the Z06.
Gotcha.
But they all have their fun time driving.
Oh, absolutely. There's always been something, in, depending on what you're driving. And how you like to drive. Everybody has their preference too, you know.
I like fast.
I like fast. I like fast off the line.
Yeah, right.
You know, some guys, they want to go 250 mile an hour, you
Yeah.
know. I like off the line.
Yeah, someday I want to take one of my cars to 200.
Yeah.
I've had 170 as the highest, but I ran out of space because it's on the highway and
Yeah.
you know, with other cars and traffic. But
Right.
you had a open area. There's like 7 or 8 of them will do over 200.
That would be exhilarating, I would think.
Yeah, we're going right.
Yeah. Today I'm going to get this right. Yesterday I turned onto the dead-end street, you know. I'm going to plead unfamiliarity with the area. And we have the coppers here again. That's nice. Keep me going or not? Stop. Okay.
Well, you got to get up there before you stop.
Yeah. Actually, I can't even read the sign. It may say slow. It does say slow.
Does it?
Good, nice. Yeah. And we have a state highway patrolman, I guess, in the middle of the road. Wave to him again. Hate driving over in this
Shoulder with all the
shoulder.
rock.
Yeah, it's junk. Just worried about that. All right, well, that is the run in the ZR1 supercharged Corvette. Awesome. Another one of my favorites. I think I have a lot of favorites. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Please click subscribe if you haven't before. Give this video a big thumbs up. And we'll see you next time on the web. Have a good day.
Goodbye.